Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also good. And tell me
Okay.
something about yourself. What do you do?
So, let me first of all, I'm going to introduce myself. So,
Yes.
my name is Papu Khati, and I am from West Bengal.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I have completed my graduation in 2018 in scheme of BA.
Okay.
And if you talk about my work, so
Yes.
I work
Yes.
as a food delivery boy in Swiggy company,
Okay.
and besides, I'm preparing for other job.
Yeah, that's cool.
So
That's
that's it.
good.
That's it.
Okay. Okay. Absolutely. And definitely, I also tell myself. My name is Kaiser Alam, and I
Yes.
am also belong from West Bengal. Okay. My district name is North Dinajpur. May I know your district name?
Yeah, my district is Hooghly.
Okay, sir. And then, sir, why it's really essential for our English spoken purpose? We are talking every day, at least 1 hour or half an hour. Then, is it essential for our spoken purpose?
Yeah, if you talk about the importance of English, so
Mm-hmm.
talking in English is a most important parts of learning speaking.
Okay.
So uh, we have no surroundings of English speaking.
Yes.
Here, uh, people are not speaking in English, so
Mm-hmm.
we have to practice over the phone with any person.
Yes. Absolutely.
So it's really essential to practice at least 1 hour in a day for
Okay. Okay.
yes, for improving our English.
Yes, sir. Absolutely, sir. And I'm also working on. I'm also working, but I'm also practicing English,
Yes, that's good.
even though we are talking to each other, because we love speaking, we love communication skill in English. That's why we are working and we are
And
talking to each other.
it's a very important language.
Yes, absolutely
So,
correct. And
we know connect in English, so we can
yes,
connect to the overall. So this is
yeah,
the most
absolutely.
important language.
Mhm. Then you are practicing at least every day. You are talking to new friend, maybe. Am I correct?
Not maybe actually try to connect with new people every day, but it's not
Yes,
happen.
possible.
But
Okay.
yeah, if I talk with new people in 2 or 3 days in a week.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And
Fine.
also I'm finding some new people
Yes,
with practice
absolutely.
for practicing. Yes.
Actually, when we talk with new friend, then we can learn new things, new
New
thought. That is,
new things,
yeah,
new thought, new
yeah,
experience.
yes.
Yes.
And that's why we need new friend every day when we practice in English language. And it is true that we are the same state. We are talking to each other. It's our happiness, it's our goodness that we can talk to
Yes.
each other because the reason of English. We are talk
Yeah.
in English. That's why we talk to each other. That is our goodness. In my point of
Yeah,
then
it's a that's the
and
true things.
yes, and
And
I
know the new people, meet the new people, and collect some experience, some new things about and also we share about sale about our culture, about our town, about our cities, and how we practicing English. So
yes.
there are lots of things we can easily express with ourselves.
Absolutely correct. Then, in your point of view, which is essential part of spoken English? Which is the way people also try to speak more fluently? What you recommend through this video?
I don't know what is the best way, but actually I'm in the stage of learning. So I
Yeah.
think many teachers have says that you
Mm-hmm.
have to practice more. You can, so in a
Yeah.
day you have to talk with another person
Mm.
1 or 2 hours, at least 1 or 2 hours, 1 or 2 hours. So
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely.
practice is the most important things. And
Yeah. Yes, exactly. I also appreciate your thought, and even though we are still talking to each other, and we can talk more valuable thought. Hello.
Hello,
Yeah. And no problem. And absolutely correct. You were right. And even though I am also
I can't
practicing
hear you.
every, you can't
Stop, I
hear
can't
me.
see.
Why? Now you are my you are audible my voice.
hello.
Hello.
It's okay
Okay.
now. It's okay now.
Okay. Okay.
Actually,
And then
someone was calling me, so
okay. Okay. No problem.
that's why video
Okay.
is stopped.
Okay. It happened. Uh, I now I can see in your behind. I can see the all the player also playing, but you are not playing.
Not, I'm not playing. Actually, I'm on the field, and yes,
Yeah.
here many boys are playing. Actually, I
Yeah.
do. Actually, I like to play, but nowadays I don't play. I just came to the field about to relax. Uh,
Okay.
so, and
Mm-hmm.
I just gossiping with my friends, and
Okay.
I'm not
Fine. Fine.
playing, but I like to
Absolutely.
play.
Yes. Absolutely. It's need to travel with your friend, to travel or feel like we are playing some friends. That is neat. But when you are playing, but you are not playing, you are speaking to me, you are speaking to someone. That
Yes,
is
yes,
all
yes,
important things because we need more skill. That is our need, not another people need,
yes,
but
yes,
we need
yes,
because we are practicing. And
yes, yes.
that's why I'm happy that you are practicing with me, you are practicing with unknown friend, with uh, when you travel to other place, or now you are playground but you are
So,
still
I,
practicing.
I have a
Yeah.
question.
Yeah.
Sorry for
Yes.
interrupted. I have a question. So, do you use
Hmm.
in day-to-day life English with your friends
actually
or with your parents?
actually I'm not doing such types of work, but in what is the way I am practicing my daily basis conversation, and I am practicing with myself because like when I go to somewhere,
Okay,
when
it's
I
always good to practice with yourself, but
yeah.
I think there is a one more important thing is we have to conversation with our friends. I mean, in day
Yes.
to day life, then we
Yes.
have to gain some
For yeah.
confidence.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Actually,
Ac-
I'm try to speak with my friends in English, but
yes.
it's still not possible because
Yes.
they
Yes.
are not ready to speak in English. So
Yes.
just I
That is
try to yes, yes, yes. Just
that
I
is our
want
biggest
to
problem
you
we are facing
yes,
while speaking. But we know what is the benefit of speaking because you are also practicing, you know very well. And even though I know very well
you know very well,
which is
but they are
important.
not well as well. We know.
Yes, absolutely. And yeah, it's true that we are talking, then we can understand the what is the benefit. We can understand the fluency of English because we know, because we are practicing. And that
Yes,
is
yes,
our, I think it's good way to learn in English, and we can make more friends in this way. We can talk all over the world. That is our strength, and that is our also helping for our upcoming days when we go to job interview or any. field, like you are also working some days ago, but still maybe you are not working, you were in
Yes.
maybe in home, but it is definitely helpful for upcoming days when we or you go with another field for job interview.
Yes, yes. And English is the most important
Yeah.
today's life.
Yes.
When we are
Yeah.
go to give an interview, they asked first of all, do you speak in English? Do you know English?
Yes.
And they ask you question in English, and so that's why you have to know speaking English.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm totally appreciate with you, and you can convince your friend. That is really helpful. That is really important. Our communication skill, but they can't understand. But it is when you get confident, when you get eligible to talk to everyone. After that, they can understand your uh,
Yes, yes,
improvement, and they can understand your thought. That is, you already told them, but they are still not practicing. That is their uh, inability, I can say.
because just my friends are speaking in one language, that is in Bengali. So
Yeah.
actually, I think they have no interest to speak in English, and
Mhm.
so they are not understandable to other language. Just
Yeah.
they speak and they communicate in Bengali, so that's why they don't want to switch on another language.
Yes. 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 Everywhere is the same problem. Even though in my area also same problem. My friend also not speaking to anyone, but they have interest. It is true. But one day, 2 day, after 7 day, they feel bored because it is really difficult to uh, fix schedule. When we talk to new friend, when we talk to anyone, it is really difficult.
Yes, yes.
Then, dear, tell me something about your district, which is special of your district, and if you understand me.
The best things is my town is we know the our national anthem Bande Mataram. So
Okay,
Bande Mataram had been written here by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay.
okay, okay,
There is a house Bande Mataram there is a house named Bande Mataram house. So
okay. That is special.
the lyrics had been written here.
Okay, that is really
And
special.
yes, and the longest building of West Bengal is
Mm-hmm.
here in my town, is Chinsura.
Okay,
Yeah, Court
okay.
building. Building is the longest building
Actually, even
of
though
the West.
still I didn't know which is the highest building in our West Bengal,
Highest
but
is highest, not it's the longest building.
okay, longest building. Yeah. But even though I still didn't know, but you told me that it is,
You
I am
can search on
gaining this
Google.
knowledge.
Then you will
Yeah,
get the yes.
absolutely, absolutely. I definitely search on Google and understand the uh, longest.
Just you can type the where is the longest building of West Bengal. Then you can see our court building names.
Okay.
Actually, now it's district judge court of
Mm-hmm,
Hooghly.
mm-hmm.
So you can easily get the name and can understand.
Okay. Then we definitely stopped our conversation and we talk like if you want to share, if you want to share something about that is special for our communication.
No, actually, I want to take your suggestion towards listening practice. So,
Mhm.
what kind of content do you listen? I mean, in foreign
Okay.
language or Indian language?
No, no, sir. Actually, I'm listening subtitle movies. I love to watch
So
Kerala's
these
movies.
are the Indian movies or for
Yes, yes,
for
Kerala's movies. You know,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Kerala's movies, and I also listen some motivational speech. That is, I am really interested to listen those of speeches or movies.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
So that's great. I'm
yeah.
also listening motivational speaker.
Hmm.
I listen Gaur Gopal Das,
Okay.
Swami Mukanand.
Yeah, yeah. Absolutely
They are
correct.
they are a great. Actually, they talk about spiritual sides.
Mm-hmm.
So I love to see
Uh,
those people.
but w- we can listen in deep way. Then we can gain some knowledge. Also, we can understand the
And
inner feeling. That is also
yes,
important.
yes, yes.
And brother, we can talk another time. That is when we free again. And
Okay,
if
okay,
you
okay,
and
okay,
if you share something about through this video, if you share me.
okay. No, actually, I have nothing to share right now.
Okay,
Uh,
okay, no problem at all. And let's try to understand, try to speak more and more confident in future. We can definitely connect to each other because we are as a friend. We can speak
yes,
more, can speak
obviously,
well, and
obviously,
yeah, and
obviously,
it's
it would be helpful
our
for each
confidence.
other.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. And it is really helpful for upcoming days in future life, and we can definitely happy our we are working in this platform that is really helpful for our upcoming days, and I'm happy to talk with you, and let's try
I'm
again.
also
And
glad to talk
uh,
with you.
yeah, thank you, uh, thank you for
Okay,
appreciation.
bye.
And
Okay, bye.
okay,
Okay, bye.
yes, bye.